Do you dream of having a beautiful house by a white sandy beach? Do you dream of owning the best of cars? Do you dream of traveling the world? Do you dream of happiness? Do you dream of success? Will you be able to achieve these dreams if you're unhappy with your career? It's tough to make a career decision. We understand that. Together, we at Mentoria can ensure you achieve your dreams. You've completed your assessment, but there's a whole world of clarity waiting for you. Do you want to know what more is in store? 1. Get your complete career report. 2. Get clarity from a meaningful career counselling session with India's best counsellors, where you will understand your career report. Discover your top interest traits. Analyze your strengths and development areas. Relate to your real life experiences with your chosen careers. Know more about your personality traits and abilities. Share your aspirations. Shortlist the top 3 careers you will enjoy and excel at. 3. Mentoria's knowledge gateway that will transport you into your future world with comprehensive information on your careers, access to top colleges and universities in India and around the globe, a resource center to address all of your education and career queries, weekly updates on the news, trends and happenings of your top 3 careers, Four, webinars from industry professionals who give you an actual glimpse into your future working world. Don't stop at dreaming, achieve.